With the Terp Hammer, you can enjoy the award-winning function and design of the old head Freight Train Pro, but without the cord that tethers the handle to the controller, creating a cordless user experience that's second to none. The Terp Hammer's titanium head features an internal matrix of rubies that act to thermally insulate it, essentially turning it into a battery of intense thermal energy. It sits with its head resting in the Dab Ready's heater just as a 25mm quartz bucket would. With the Terp Hammer, like the Freight Train Pro before it, you're going to likely have your device set somewhere in or around the 560 to 600 degree Fahrenheit range. I'd recommend starting at 580 degrees Fahrenheit and adjusting from there. The high-flow airflow design allows you to pull just about as fast and as hard as you'd like, and that high-speed draw pulls the superheated air quickly through the extraction chamber, where it washes over the dried plant material, melting the trichomes and essential oils right off of the surface, oftentimes before the plant material itself gets hot enough to release all its chlorophyll. With that said, you can also turn the temp down for even more flavor at the cost of cloud volume, or turn it up if you want to ride the line closer to combustion for maximum cloud production at the expense of flavor. Just remember not to turn it above 680 degrees Fahrenheit. Upon initial power up, it'll generally take 3 to 4 minutes for the hammer to reach temperature. Once at temperature, whenever you're ready to perform a pull through your rig, simply load up your extraction chamber with about 0.15 grams of dry material, and when you're ready, take the hammer off of the heater, connect it to the extraction chamber, and begin your pull. Once you're about 75% through your draw, pull the hammer off and away from the extraction chamber, placing it back on the heater while clearing your rig. You can repeat this until you're satisfied with the level of extraction achieved. Then clear the extraction chamber out, and you're ready to start the process all over again. The Dab Ready is essentially the stand for the Terp Hammer, so as long as it's powered up with the hammer racked, you're always Terp ready. As for how long the hammer lasts off of the heater or how fast it recharges, there are simply too many factors involved to give a meaningful answer. If you're looking for a party device that you can line people up in front of and do back-to-back non-stop extractions though, this probably isn't it. What I can say is that no one that's tried this, from the biggest vape heads to the heaviest of smokers, has had any problem with the hammer keeping up with them. As long as you put the hammer back on the heater as you're finishing your draw, you're likely to find that the hammer will be ready for another go-around whenever you are. Thanks for checking out the video, and be sure to check out the other videos in this series for more information on Dab Ready use, care, and maintenance, and extracting concentrates with the Dab Ready.